Hi, Biang.
Yes.
Hi, good morning.
Sure.
Good morning, Yang.
Yes. Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so how are you today? How are you?
I'm
Okay, how are you, Yang?
yes, I'm wake up early and I have breakfast. Um
Okay, you're having breakfast. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, Yang, let us have here the IPA 3. Wait. Okay, yeah, let's move to IPA 4. Uh, okay, I will share it to you. Okay, I guess we're done with this, right? IPA
yes.
3. So, we'll move to IPA 4 now. Sorry, Yang. Sorry, Gang, because today I left my mouse in school. So I find it hard. Okay, this one. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so let us have here the pronunciations. And then we do have this one.
What?
Okay. So we have here the different sound. We learned this, the IPA sound, the last time. Okay. So we have here this one. Okay, this one is the sound. It's it's dog.
Oh,
This is dog, dog. And this one, this is the ace is
oh,
R, R. This one,
car.
R. Yes, car. Okay, this is dog, R. Okay, this one we have. Okay, I don't know what's this. It's and this one it is
Oh,
shop, shop.
oh,
This one,
oh,
shop. Okay,
oh,
this is dog,
oh,
dog. This is car. This is shop. Up.
oh,
Shop.
shop,
Shop.
shop,
Car. Car.
car,
Duck.
car.
Duck. This is Okay, this sound is this one is
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
this is short vowel sound. This
oh,
is
oh,
it's
car.
it's car. Okay. This is car. Okay, and this one, this is the
Shop,
okay. It's the it's shop. Okay.
shop.
Okay, so we have this one. This is the IPA or the IPA chart. Okay, so we have the
Sheep.
sheep, and sheep.
Mm.
Okay, how will you read this one, Yang? Sheep. This is the sheep, and this is sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Oh, sheep. Oh, very good. Okay. Bad.
Bed.
Bad. Teacher.
Bed.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Okay. Bad. Bad.
Bed.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher. Okay. Next we have cat.
Cat.
Cat. And up.
Up.
Up. Okay.
Up.
This is cat.
Cat.
Cat. Up.
Up.
Up. Okay. This is good.
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 Good. It's shoot.
Good.
Shoot.
Shoot. Shoot.
Okay. This is
Bird.
bird and door.
Door.
Door. Okay. This one. Please read, Yang.
Far.
Okay. Very good.
On.
On. Your mouth will be
Off.
circle. Yeah, very good.
On.
Very good. On. Okay. Okay, very good, Yang. Okay, wow. Okay, this one, Yang. Okay, let's read this consonant. These are the vowels that we read. Okay, this one, 1, 2, the one lated. Okay. Okay, and these are the diphthongs, and these are the consonant. Okay, please read again the vowel. Okay, go. Sheep.
Sheep.
Hmm.
Sheep.
Mm-hmm.
Bed.
Okay.
Teacher.
Very good, Yang.
Cat.
Okay.
Up.
Okay, it's Yang, mouth.
Up. 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 Up.
Very
Up.
good. Okay, good, Yang. This one, Yang.
Good.
Good. Very good, Yang.
Short.
Ooh, shoot.
Shoot.
Okay, good one. Good, Yang. This one.
Bird.
Okay.
Door. Farm.
Correct.
On.
Okay. On. Okay, yes. Okay. So this is what we learned during the previous lessons about short and vowel sounds. Okay, let us read diphthongs. Okay. So actually, we did not introduce diphthongs yet in the IPA. Okay. But let us read this. Okay. Here.
Here.
Wait.
Wait.
Again. Here.
Here.
Wait.
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 Wait. Wait.
No. Wait.
Wait.
Correct. Tourists.
Tourist. Tourist.
Tourist. Very good. Boy.
Boy.
Okay. Show.
Show.
This is your hair.
Hair.
Okay. This is here. And this is hair.
Hair. Hair.
Okay. Again. Please read this one. This one.
Here.
Okay. Correct. Very good. This one.
Hair.
Great. Okay. This is here.
Here.
And this is our hair. Okay.
Hair.
This
Yes.
one. Okay.
My. Cow.
Okay, very good. Again, read all.
Here. Wet.
Oh, it's not wet. It's wet is different. Wait.
Wet.
Wait. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, go. Again.
Here.
Okay.
Wet.
Okay.
Tourist.
Okay.
Boy.
Okay.
Show. Hair.
Oh, no. Hair.
Hair.
Okay, this one. This is our hair.
Hair. Yes.
This one. Okay, this one next.
My. Cow.
Okay, yeah. Okay, correctly. Remember, this is here, and this is hair.
Hair.
Hair. Okay.
Hair.
Okay. So let us, we will not read this one, the consonants, because we need to study and also the diphthongs. Next lesson, we're going to study the sound of the diphthongs and the consonants. Okay. How to pronounce the E? Okay, this one.
E.
Okay, we have this one. This is the long vowel. Okay.
E.
E. E. It's the long vowel. How will we do it? E. Lips unrounded. So it's not round. E. Okay.
E.
Spread like when you smile. Okay.
E.
That's when you smile, you will say
E.
E.
E. E. It's just like smiling. Yeah.
Yes.
E.
E.
Okay. Okay. This one. So we have.
E.
Okay. This is.
E.
Ah. Wait.
E.
E. Okay. This one is E and E.
E.
Wait. This short vowel. Okay. This is. Okay. Your lips unrounded, relaxed, and nearly closed. Okay. Short sound. E.
E.
E. E.
E.
E.
E.
E.
E.
E. That E. That's
E.
E. Long sound. Long.
Yes.
Okay. Long vowel. E. But this one is.
E.
Okay. Oh, that's the one. It is
E.
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 E. E.
E.
That's E. Okay. It's E.
E.
E. E.
E.
E. E.
E.
Again. You. First, long vowel.
E.
E. It's just like, yeah,
E.
you're smiling. You're smiling.
Yes.
E.
E.
Okay. Short vowel. E.
E. E.
Oh, yeah. Correct, Yang. Very good, Yang. Very good, Yang.
E.
E. It's
E.
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 Just a short smile. Nearly close. E.
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 Oh, that one. E.
E.
E. Okay. Short, long vowel. Long vowel, Yang. E.
E.
Okay. Short vowel.
E.
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 E. Okay. Okay. Again, one more. Long vowel.
E.
Okay. Short vowel.
E.
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 E. Okay. Yeah. Very good, Yang. Okay. Wait me, Yang, ha. A minute, Yang. Okay. Let us read this one
Sheep.
later. Okay. Wait me a minute, Yang, ha. Stand by, please.
Sheep.
Ano siya kanina mong gigamit? Okay, Yang. So we have here to read again the long vowel and the short vowel. The long vowel
Ship.
is E. The short vowel is E. 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 Oh, that's short. Okay, so we have here the long vowel.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep.
Okay, this one.
Ship.
Sheep.
Okay, short vowel. Again, please read.
Sheep.
Very good.
Sheep.
Okay, next
Ship.
one.
Ship.
Okay, this is
Sheep.
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 Sheep. Sheep.
Okay, this one.
Ship.
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 Okay, this one we have the. Okay, what do you think is this? This is
Bean.
the
Bean.
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 Sorry.
Bin.
Bean. Bean.
Bean.
Bean.
Bean.
Bean.
Okay. And this is long vowel. Bean.
Bean.
Okay, and this is bin.
Bin.
Bean.
It's a bin.
Bean.
Okay, this is again
Bean.
bean. And this is
Bean.
okay. So this is long vowel, Yang, and short vowel. Okay, again, Yang. Okay, read by yourself.
Bean.
Bean.
Okay.
Bean.
Listen.
Bean.
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 Okay. Again, Yang. You.
Bean.
Okay, very good. One more, Yang.
Bean.
Okay, this one is trash
Bean.
bin. This is trash bin.
Bean.
Bin.
Bean.
Bin.
Bean.
Oh, sorry,
Bin.
Yang. This is
Bin.
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 This is bin.
Bean. Bean.
Oh,
Bin. Bin. Bin.
Bean.
okay. Again, read number one. What is this?
Bean.
And bin.
Bean.
Okay, yes. This is again
Bean.
Bean.
bin. It's string beans. Bin. String beans. Okay, and this is
Bean.
trash
Bin.
bin.
Bean.
Trash. Okay, you know trash bin? This one. This is trash bin. It's a bin.
Bin.
Bean.
Bin.
Bin.
Trash bin. This is bin. Okay, string bin. And this is trash
Bin.
bin.
Bean.
Okay, next one. Okay. Go, Yang. This one, Yang. What is this?
Hot.
Feel.
Hey, this
Feel.
is...
Feel.
Oh, this
Feel.
one. Okay, Yang. Go, Yang.
Feel.
This is
Feel.
long and short. Okay.
Feel.
Feel.
Feel. Feel.
Okay, listen, Yang, ha?
Feel.
Listen. Listen, Yang. Listen first.
Feel. 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 Feel.
Okay, go, Yang.
Feel.
Oh, very good. One more, Yang.
Feel.
One more, Yang.
Feel.
Very good. Okay, this one. Long sound, Yang. Okay, this one. Listen, Yang.
Fill. Fill.
Feel.
Fill.
Fill.
Feel.
Fill.
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 Okay, go, Yang.
Feel.
Okay, feel. Feel.
Feel.
Feel. This S is feel.
Feel.
Okay, feel. And this is
Feel.
Fill.
feel. Okay, again, Yang. Read this first.
Feel.
Feel. Okay, feel. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
You have
Feel.
to feel.
Feel.
Okay, I will fill it with water. I will fill it with water. Okay, yay. Okay, next one, Yang. Very good, Yang. Great job, Yang. This
Reach.
one. Okay, let us
Rich.
work on. This is,
Reach.
listen first.
Reach.
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 Okay, go, Yang.
Reach.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Yang. You want to copy this? You want to copy? Okay. Later I will send this video in the Zillow. Okay, I will send this video. Okay, so you can practice. Okay. So this one.
Reach. Reach.
Okay, go, Yang.
Reach.
More, Yang. Go, Yang.
Reach.
Okay.
Reach. Reach.
Reach.
Okay, this one, Yang.
Reach.
Rich. Rich.
Reach.
Rich.
Reach.
I sorry. Okay, this one is you have
Reach.
Reach. Reach.
Reach.
okay, reach, okay, and
Reach. Reach.
Rich.
Reach.
Rich.
Reach.
okay. So this one, I will make a sentence, Yang. Wait.
Star. Yes. And reach. Star. Reach.
Okay. So this one, Yang,
Reach.
Reach.
reach. Okay. So read, reach. I
Reach.
will reach the star. Okay, go, Yang.
Reach.
I read.
I will reach the star.
Okay, I will reach the star. It means reach, you will reach. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Read down.
Rich.
Rich. Rich.
Oh, sorry, Yang.
Rich.
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 Oh,
Rich.
okay. So her family is rich.
Her
Okay.
family is rich.
Okay. Is
Is
rich.
Rich.
Rich. Her
Rich.
family is rich. This
Her
is rich. Rich. And this is rich. Her
Rich.
family is
Rich.
rich. Okay, you know what is rich? You know what is rich?
Rich.
Rich and poor.
Yes.
Rich and poor. Okay, this is rich and poor. Again, Yang, one more. Please read and read the sentence.
Reach.
Rich.
I will.
I will reach the star.
Very good. Okay, this one, listen and read.
Rich.
Rich.
Rich. Okay.
Rich. Her family is rich.
Very good, Yang. Okay, yay. Okay, this one. Okay, we have here. Okay, I will erase first. Okay, so we have here.
Lives.
Leave.
Live.
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 Okay, this
Live.
is to
Live.
have to
Leave.
lived, and you have to live.
Live.
Okay,
Live.
this is
Leave.
leave. Just leave me alone. Okay, lived and
Leave.
lived and
Live.
live. Okay, just leave me alone. Okay, again, pronounce leave.
Leave.
Live.
Okay, live.
Live.
Okay, again, long vowel. Okay, leave.
Leave.
Live.
Okay.
Live.
Live.
Okay, this is
Leave.
leave. Okay. Leave. Okay, go, Gyang. One more, Gyang.
Leave.
Live.
Leave.
Live.
Leave.
Okay, leave.
Live.
Okay, this one, Gyang. Just.
Just leave me alone.
Okay, just leave me alone. Okay, just leave me
Leave
alone.
me
Okay,
alone.
this is
Leave.
Live.
lived. Okay, this one.
Live.
Live.
Leave.
Live.
Sorry. What happened? Okay.
Live.
Live.
Leave.
Live.
Live. Live.
Okay, lived. Live every moment. Love every day. Love beyond words. Okay, this is lived, and you have to live.
Live. Live.
Live.
Live. Okay. You have to
Live.
lived.
Live.
Lived. Lived. Lived.
Live.
Again, Yang. Wait, Yang, ha?
Live.
Live.
Lived.
Live.
Live.
Correct, Yang. Okay, Yang. Please read, Yang. Okay. Here. First, read this one first.
Live.
Leave.
Lived. Okay, easy.
Live.
Okay. Just
leave me alone.
Just leave me alone. Lived. Live.
Live.
Okay,
Live.
that's long vowel. This one.
Live.
Lived.
Live.
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 Okay. Lived every moment. Love every day. Love beyond words.
Beyond words.
Live.
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 Okay, this one, please read.
Lives every moment, loves every day, loves beyond words.
Okay, again, one more. I want to hear it.
Live. Live. every moment loud, every day loves beyond words.
Okay, beyond. Okay,
Beyond.
lived.
Yours.
Lived every moment.
Moments
Loved
loves
every day.
every
Laugh.
day.
Laugh.
Love. Love.
Laugh. Okay,
Love.
every day. Loved.
Love.
Okay, love beyond words.
Words.
Beyond. Beyond.
Beyond.
Again,
Beyond.
beyond. Okay, it means beyond. Distant. Beyond words. Okay, go Gyang. Live. Okay. This is easy to pronounce. Long vowel is easy to pronounce, right? Like you have to
Leave.
leave. But this one, it's short vowel.
live,
Live.
Lived. Okay. Lived every moment. Okay, go Gyang, read this one.
Live. Live. Every moment loves. Every day love. Beyond words.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, next one. We have we have common spelling patterns. This is, again, what's the sound of this? This is E. E. And this one, it's eh,
Eh.
This is
E.
E. You will smile a little. Okay, like E. E. E and Okay. This one, the E. It's three. Three. C. Again, read this one. Three. C. Okay, very good. Number three. C. Okay.
C.
Correct. Okay, this is T. Meal. Easy. Okay, again, it's T. Okay, meal. Easy. Okay, this one. Okay, it's the
Chef.
okay. This not chef because chef. Well, chef is this one. You will read chef as this one. Sorry, that's chef. Okay, this is chief. Okay, this is chief. Okay, this is chef. Chef is the one who cook. This is chief. Believe. Believed. Receive. Okay, again, this is the chief officer. Okay, believe and receive. Again, go Gyang.
Chief. Believe.
Okay, believed. This one.
Receive.
Okay. Yeah, great job. Okay, next one, yeah. We have seen. Okay, favor. Athlete. Again, seen. Favor and
Athlete.
Okay, yeah, very good. Okay. Seen. Favor. Athlete. Okay, unique is unique. Boutique. Antique. Okay, it's unique. Okay, boutique. It's boutique. Antique. Okay, these are the Okay, and this is the Okay, the short sound. Okay, is pig. Eel. Trick. Okay, pig, eel, trick. Okay, go. Okay, eel and trick. Okay, this one, biggest. Fastest. Simplest. Okay, again, biggest.
Biggest, fastest,
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 simplest.
simplest,
Okay. Oh, gym,
gym,
system,
system,
physics.
physics,
Again. Gym.
gym,
Okay, next. System.
system,
System.
system,
System.
system,
Okay, physics.
physics,
Okay, this one is build.
build,
Mm.
build,
Biscuits.
bakers,
Biscuit.
bakers,
Bis.
this,
Biscuit.
bakers,
Biscuit.
bakers,
Get. Biscuit.
biscuits,
Okay, plus guitar.
guitar,
Guitar.
guitar,
Guitar.
guitar,
Okay, correct lang. Okay, gang, read all. Okay, read all. The sound. Go. Pig.
big,
Next.
ear,
Big. Correct.
biggest,
Correct.
fastest,
Correct.
simplest,
Simplest.
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 simplest,
Simplest.
simplest,
Correct. Next, gang.
gym,
Correct.
system,
Correct.
physics,
Correct.
build, bakers,
Biscuit.
biscuits,
Okay, biscuit.
biscuits,
Cat.
biscuit, cat,
Okay, correct.
biscuits,
Correct. Next,
guitar,
guitar.
guitar,
Guitar. Do you know guitar?
yes, guitar,
Okay, yes. Okay. Now, Yang, please get in the Zoom again. Okay, get in the Zoom again.